Looking for the best gaming mouse for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming mouse that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a gaming mouse that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming mouse. Number 1 on the list is Razer Basilisk V3. The Razer Basilisk V3 is the best gaming mouse to hit our lab. It's 9/13 if you include all the scroll wheel inputs, programmable buttons, well-crafted shape and premium, textured finish make it versatile across gaming genres and even productivity workloads. While it's on the heavier side compared to honeycomb-style mice for FPS games, PTFE feet help it glide easily, and a dedicated sniper button is easy to reach and drops DPI instantly for headshots. Customization options abound, from the 11 individual RGB zones to the aforementioned buttons. Each button can also have a secondary function when using Hypershift. The Basilisk V3 is also unique in its scroll wheel's ability to swap from a tactile to smooth, free scroll at the tap of a button or based on how you flick it. However, that does mean that the wheel can sound rattly and is particularly noisy when switching modes. It can also wobble when shifting side to side aggressively. The Razer DeathAdder V2 is a worthy, simpler alternative if you don't need that much programmability. But the Basilisk V3 earned our Editor's Choice Award with its advanced feature set, build and customization options. Second on the list is Logitech G502 Lightspeed, a lighter and wireless version of the popular Logitech G502 Hero. The wireless Logitech G502 Lightspeed is a fantastic weapon for your arsenal if you can stomach the price tag. With premium features, like 6 additional weights, 2 4G1s and 4 2G1s, for customizing the mouse's feel, the G502 Lightspeed starts earning your investment. With Logitech's high DPI and power-efficient Hero, opens in new tab, sensor and an ample number of programmable buttons. The G502 Lightspeed is fit for any gaming genre. Its shape is familiar and comfortable, crafted in first-person shooter style. When you can't risk a wireless connection, the G502 Lightspeed also comes with a reliable cable. In addition to connecting to your PC with a wireless dongle, you can make it so you never have to connect the G502 Lightspeed to a cable at all, not even for charging. With the Logitech G PowerPlay wireless charging mouse pad, the mouse is always charged as long as the pad is plugged into a USB port. Sadly, the mouse pad takes away the ability to use either of the G502 Lightspeed's 4G weights and is currently $120, opens in new tab. If you'd like a mouse that can charge wirelessly with a broader variety of mouse pads, and more, consider Qi charging mice, like the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro SE. Number 3 on the list is Razer Naga V2 Pro. Razer has made its incredibly versatile MMO-focused Naga mouse even more versatile with the Naga V2 Pro, which maintains its predecessor's swappable side plates and adds in a uniquely customizable scroll wheel that lets users tweak scroll tension, number of scroll steps, and haptic feel. This medium-sized wireless mouse has 3 connectivity options, 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and wired via USB-C, and 3 swappable side plates with 12, 6, and 2 buttons. That's up to 20 programmable buttons, including the 3-click scroll wheel and the profile switch on the bottom of the mouse. The side plates are magnetic and swap out easily, and even hide a section to store the mouse's 2.4 GHz wireless dongle when you're not using it. Despite being on the heavier side at 4.72 ounces, 134G, the Naga V2 Pro is a very comfortable and versatile mouse that's perfect for MMO players who might occasionally want fewer than 12 side buttons. For those who are all MMO, all the time, however, there's also the Naga V2 Hyperspeed, which costs $99.99, versus the Naga V2 Pro's $179.99, uses 1 XAA battery, and has a fixed 12-button side plate. Number 4 on the list is Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro. Razer's DeathAdder V3 Pro sports a subtle but significant redesign that makes it lighter, more tactile, and more ergonomic than its predecessor, the DeathAdder V2 Pro. The new V3 Pro weighs just 2.22 ounces, 63 g, and features a streamlined silhouette with a split-key cover design, instead of the usual unibody shell, and 5 programmable buttons. To get the weight down, Razer stripped the V3 Pro of unnecessary frills, including RGB and Bluetooth. The DeathAdder V3 Pro may not be as flashy as other gaming mice, but it still has plenty of features packed under its ultra-lightweight hood. The mouse is equipped with Razer's Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, which has a max sensitivity of 30,000 dpi, a tracking speed of 750 IPS, and up to 70 G of acceleration. The sensor tracks seamlessly on a variety of surfaces, including transparent glass. The V3 Pro comes with a Razer Hyperspeed 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and is also compatible with Razer's Hyperpolling wireless dongle, sold separately for $30 or bundled with the V3 Pro for $165, which upgrades the V3 Pro's wireless polling rate to 4,000 Hz from 1000 Hz. Using the V3 Pro with the hyperpolling wireless dongle does have the downside of dropping the mouse's impressive 90-hour battery life down to just 24 hours. Maybe that's why Razer doesn't automatically include the new dongle with the V3 Pro. Number 5 on the list is Corsair Katar Pro XT. If you want a well-spec'd, comfortable gaming mouse at an affordable price, the Corsair Katar Pro XT is the best gaming mouse for you. At just 2.68 ounces, this lightweight mouse is excellent for long gaming sessions and is quickly adjustable. It's a bit low profile, but has a nice, ambidextrous-shaped shell that doesn't feel cheap, despite this being a budget mouse. Targeting FPS and MOBA players, Corsair's mouse glides easily without cable drag. Thanks to PTFE feet and a paracord USB Type-A tether. Speaking of the tether, the wireless version of this mouse, the Corsair Katar Pro Wireless, can be found for slightly more, if not on sale, for the same price, opens in new tab, as this wired version. So that's worth considering. And if you're after the lightest mouse, something with a honeycomb shell, like the glorious mice on this page, shave off more weight. The Katar Pro XT isn't the flashiest or most unique mouse out there, but will make a reliable gaming companion. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming mouse that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.